Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, October 21, 2021. Once again, I repeat myself when I say that the markets are strong again today. We are holding higher prices after an early gap down. So this is the S&P in the upper left. You can see we opened below yesterday's close, and after a mild test lower, we pushed higher, pulled back again, kind of consolidating a little bit higher here now, though. We're holding above yesterday's closing area as well as above the open. We have a higher daily high and a higher daily low. So continuing to work higher this afternoon. So what we're going to be doing today is looking at what has happened historically as we approach the close in these really strong markets. So I'm going to use a RSI indicator to measure how strong the market has been and then add a little bit of context around the price action. So let me go ahead and get these all selected. The time will be based upon entering at 3 o'clock Eastern time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. This morning we opened lower. I'm going to add that to the test by going gap direction, gap down, and then in the post-open filters, I'm going to say that the 3 o'clock price is above the opening print. So that means we gap down and we are trading higher. We're trading above the open at 3 o'clock. To do that, intraday close versus intraday range equals next to close above open. That means the 3 o'clock price is above the open. Next, I'm going to go into the indicators library. I'm going to put us in a bull market environment, a strong bull market environment above a 10, above a 200-day simple moving average. And then I'm also going to add this top thing from the active today. Our overbought, oversold category, we have day after a 2-day RSI reading greater than 95. That is a strong market reading, considered overbought in many scenarios. But that shows that we have a strong market. We're in a bull market environment. We have a very strong market that is now trading above the open after an earlier gap down. So I've got those selected. Now I can click View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when the prior day closed above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average and had a 2-day RSI reading of at least 95. The next day, it gaps down, and at 3 o'clock, it's trading above its opening print. So it's in the process of printing a green daily candle. Historically, we've got 132 samples in the S&P, 136 in the NASDAQ, 132 in the Dow, and 82 in the Russell. The win rates on these are coming in favored for the S&P and for the Russell. The NASDAQ and the Dow are pretty neutral. So the S&P coming in 61%, NASDAQ 54, Dow 49, and Russell 59. So two of the four are mildly favored here. If we look at the average moves, they are very similar in size for the S&P. The NASDAQ average loss a little bit larger. The Dow average win just a little bit larger, and the Russell pretty similar in size as well. So looking at them as a group, the average moves are pretty similar overall, and the win rates just a little bit stronger on the S&P and the Russell. NASDAQ and Dow pretty neutral overall. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.